Hi everybody, my name is Jackie and I'm an educator at the Milwaukee Public Museum. One way MPM has shared science with the public for many years now is our annual BioBlitz. This event brings together lots of different scientists and volunteers who are all there for one reason: to count as many different species of life as possible in one location in a 24-hour period. A species is a group of plants or animals that are very similar and can produce offspring like themselves. Some places where MPM has done a BioBlitz include the Schlitz Audubon Nature Center, Grant Park in South Milwaukee, and Fox River Park in Waukesha, among others. You can read more about this event and our past events and findings by visiting MPM online. Part of the reason this is such a great event is that it highlights Wisconsin's local biodiversity. Biodiversity refers to the variety of life, and it's a really important concept. A biodiverse local ecosystem is a positive thing because it's more resilient, which just means it can better withstand external pressures like climate change, habitat destruction, or natural disasters. It's also better equipped to provide things that all living things, including humans, need, like fresh air to breathe and clean water to drink. The Milwaukee Public Museum has created a fun activity where you and your adult can explore biodiversity right in your own backyard or neighborhood. First, download our Backyard BioBlitz handout. It'll have directions for the activity as well as a space to record your findings. You'll also need something to write with. You'll need a hula hoop, and you'll also need a watch or stopwatch to keep track of time. You may also want to use a clipboard to make it easier for you to write outside. Your challenge is to count as many different species within the space of your hula hoop as possible. So first, go outside in the space where you want to do your mini blitz and take a look around. Where is a good spot to place your hula hoop? Once you've selected your spot, place your hula hoop on the ground and set your watch for 5 minutes. Get your paper and writing utensil ready and go. Once you start the stopwatch, count as many different types of life, as many different plants and animals as you can within the space of your hula hoop. Use our data recording sheet to keep track of your findings. If you don't know the name of a plant or animal, that's okay. That happens to scientists sometimes too, and it can even lead to new discoveries. You can use words to describe it or draw a small picture instead. When the 5 minutes on your watch runs out, stop counting and talk about some questions with your adult. Think about things like, how many species did you find? Are there any more you would like to learn more about? Also, try to think of things that could change your findings if you were to do another mini blitz. So things like, what is the weather like today? What season is it? Are you in a place where there's typically a lot of people or very few people? Finally, if you were to do a mini blitz again, what would you do differently? Be sure to share some photos of yourself doing your mini blitz at hashtag #MPMWhatWillYouFind. And keep an eye on our website and social media for any information about upcoming opportunities to learn more about Wisconsin's natural biodiversity. Stay safe and healthy, and we hope to see you soon.